Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I am back in the building with another motherfucking video, and today's video is going to be a wig install on this beautiful chocolate brown wig. Do y'all not see this freaking color? Baby, I'm obsessed. Okay, obsessed. Not only that, look at this. Not Alipearl sending Scalp in the mail, because that's what she's giving. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleach. Baby, don't play with Alipearl.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Stop going where I want.
it's some me time.
To get started with this install, I'm going to go ahead and tint the lace using my Too Faced Dark Chocolate Bronzer. And baby, when I tell you guys this smells so good, it smells so good, okay? It really smells like chocolate for real. So yeah, I am trying a different product today to tint the lace. I said, let me see what this powder do, because y'all know I love me some cream foundation. So this is what it looks like when I tinted it back on, and it's giving Scalp. Stop playing. We're gonna go ahead and take some scissors and, you know, remove the lace that we do not want. And I make sure to create jagged edges so it can be super duper natural looking. Okay, to cut around my ear so it lay flat, I like to go in and make a part directly where my ear sits. That way that lace is gonna lay flat, because I don't like stuff sitting on my ears. Okay, so I did go ahead and adjust the elastic band just to see the security it would give if I decided not to secure it down using my lace spray. So it ain't going nowhere. Okay, this is glueless. You can wear it glueless. I'm going in, however, to secure her down today with my favorite EBIN lace spray. I love this stuff. This is not glue. You can remove this with water, alcohol, whatever you like. So I'm going to do 1 to 2 layers of this product. I do have my blow dryer on a cool heating setting. I'm allowed that product to get tacky, and we're just going to lay it down. Like I always say, lace spray is super duper easy for beginners. It's not really much. You can't really go wrong with lace spray. Okay, so look how well this lace melted into that product. Baby, y'all cannot tell me Alipearl did not put their foot, arm, leg, thigh, whatever else into the lace, because it's giving what it's supposed to give. Like, so yeah, it's just I'm just really excited that I don't have to do all the plucking, the bleaching. I don't got to do none of that. They already sent it ready for me to install, and I just love them for that, because I don't have time. Literally, I do not have the time to be doing all of that. Also, if you do have problems with your lace rolling up, take the back of your comb and push it down, and it will lay super duper flat. Going in with this other product from EBIN as well. I will list it below, but I'm just, you know, adding a little bit more so everything can look blended. But baby, I don't know about y'all, but it's giving the lace dissipated, because baby, wait, look at this. Okay, so I used the Alipearl lace. I used that chocolate Too Faced bronzer, and it's giving Scalp. So yeah, we're gonna double band today. I'm gonna use this one, this elastic band I got from Amazon, and then I'm gonna put the Alipearl on top, and we're gonna let that sit and melt. baby, stop playing. Okay, we just took it off and it looks good. I feel like that side is better than the other side though, but that's neither here nor there. It look good. Don't play with it. Don't freaking play with that. That's giving scalp. You cannot tell me that's not growing on my scalp. You can try. But y'all know I have to do baby hairs. You don't have to do baby hairs. You do not, okay? But we're just going to do some baby hairs because y'all know I'm just extra. I do like to cut at an angle when I do my baby hairs because I like a layered baby hair, if that makes sense. I always start off longer and then trim up. I do go in with my 1-inch flat iron from Kiss, and we're just going to curl towards our face. This also helps me with swooping my baby hairs. I'm going in with a little bit of this 𝐥𝐢𝐳 spray, and I spray it on my edge brush, and then we just swoop to my liking, okay? And like I said, baby hairs, they are time consuming, okay? It depends on what type of day and mood I am in. Honestly, this day my baby hairs didn't take that long, but like I said, curling them helps the process go by very quicker. So after we get our baby hairs, I like to go in and set them with some more of that spray, and that's just that on that. So now we're just going to go in and define the part. I do use cream foundation in the level 12 to do this part. One pass of this wasn't enough, so I did go back in with another layer of the cream foundation to make that part pop because, baby, we need to see what's going on. If I did get some on the hair, I just take a makeup wipe and just remove the concealer from it. Going in with my Sebastian spray, we're just going to spray that all over the hairline. And I just love this spray. This spray just makes everything come together, and also, you know, keeps flyaways at bay. It wasn't really a lot of flyaways on this unit at all, but like I said, that hairspray just makes everything come together, and it also gives me like a more laid look. I did not use wax on this install because, like I said, it comes ready to install. So I think when Alipearl go ahead and style the wig, they use wax on it too. So I don't go in with no wax, just hairspray. Okay, and look how good this looks. That hairspray, I'm telling you guys, get that Sebastian spray. If you don't have it, you need it. I don't care what nobody says, you need this in your collection. And then I'm going to do the back of the comb to do my little bumps. I'm not going to do them dramatically today, just a slight bump. Now we're just going in to put some heat protectant. This is Beyond the Zone. I will be sure to link it below. After we put the heat protectant in the hair, I brushed it through with my unbrush. Don't put too much of that heat protectant spray, because if you do, your hair gonna be way down and stringy looking, and ain't nobody got time to be clocking your wig, okay? So make sure you be light-handed with it. So I'm going in to make the wig frame my face a little bit better. So I went in with these little tiny scissors and tried to attempt to create layers in this unit, and I just felt like it just bring the unit all the way together. Again, this step is optional. You can leave it as is because it comes ready to install, but y'all know me, I gotta be extra. So I'm just running my flat iron through this unit, and I love this one that kind of curves at the end because it's gonna help when I go in to rebump the ends. So that's why I chose to use this flat iron instead of like a flat surface flat iron. So this is how it turns out after I flat iron. Y'all can't tell me nothing, okay? It's just so freaking pretty. Look at this. Look at the color. Look at the layers. Look at the scalp. Look at the part. 10 out of 10. 10 out of motherfucking 10. So this is going to be the end of the video. Y'all seen from the intro, I ended up turning this unit into a bob. That was not done purposely. I got carried away with the layers in this unit, and it ended up into a bob. So I know it could have been a little bit more neater or whatever, but y'all seen them scissors I was working with, okay? It's as good as it's gonna get. So this layered colored bob look is so freaking pretty. 10 out of 10, okay? I don't have any complaints. Alipearl, y'all did that. So I will have this unit listed in the description section below in case you guys are interested in getting her yourself. And yeah, until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.